We're back, season 2. Last one we did was pizza abuse, but
that was a long time ago, dude. That was a very long time ago.
Quite long. So now we're back. Don't worry, making videos as much as possible. Probably not as much as our first season, but enough. All right, this video is gonna be a GoPro in the dishwasher. Because we all want to know what's inside the dishwasher.
Like, what goes on? Everyone wonders. It's like, I would want to be in a dishwasher, and now you get a first-class view of the inside of a dishwasher.
Alright, without further ado, here that shank is.
Couple of flicks since she was enthused. I said, how do you like the show? She said I was very amused. I started throwing bass, she started throwing back mid-range. But when I sprung the question, she acted kind of strange. Because when I asked, do you have a man? She tried to pretend. She said, no I don't, I only have a friend. Come on, I'm not even going for it. This is what I'm going to sing. You got what I need.
Alright, so, being the editor of this video, I decided that that was definitely not long enough, so we're adding this little bit in here. I hope you enjoy it. It was supposed to be in a separate video, but there's no way this was long enough, so here we go.
Riding down the hill. Oh well. Okay, ready? Ridin! You're going ahead of me! Oh, skateboard! Whoa! Yeah!